Welcome back to Bintang Automotive.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
yang mana fungsinya sebagai lampu sen. sekedar informasi saja, jika harga dari Honda ADV 150cc dengan tipe CBS sekitar Rp34.742.000, serta untuk tipe ABS sekitar Rp37.805.000. Harga on the road Jakarta. Kemungkinan besar, harga dari dayang ADV 150 ini akan berkisar pada angka-angka tersebut, atau justru lebih murah. Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini.
Bila kita terus rapatkan barisan dan tetap terus bergandengan tangan,